Hi, boys and girls. So we are on our last session, session in lesson 28. Today we're doing session 5, and you're on page 659. And there's some juicy strawberries down at the bottom of the page for you. It says solve problems 1 through 6. Number 1, Sophia pins 58 pictures on the board. Mr. Rico pins 4 pictures. How many in all? Word clue. Circle these numbers, and then we're going to add them. This whole week we're working on adding, but we still need to be aware of those word clues. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and draw 50 plus 4, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to try to make 10. I say make, you say 10. Make. Good job. Make 10. Awesome. Make 10. So I have 8 here. I don't need to count them because I know I have 5, 6, 10s, 8 ones. That makes 58. And I have 4 ones here. So 8, 9, 10. I'm going to put my invisibility cloak around those and they disappear like in Harry Potter, right? And then these turn into one more stick of 10. So now I don't have 5. I have 6 groups of 10. And then I'm going to count what's outside of the invisibility cloak. 1, 2, 2, 62. If I'm like, was that right? Let's do it another way and see. A line across 58 plus 4. Break this out into 50 and 8. I'm going to steal 8, 9, 10, 2 from this 4. And then that means I have 2 left over. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 50 plus 8 equals 58. Number bond works, number bond works. So now I have, if I add these together, these make 10. So now I have 50 plus 10 plus 2. Well, 50 plus 10 is 60 plus, whoops, not 6. 2 is 62. So I have 62, and this is what I got up here. I got 62. So awesome job. There's 62 pictures pinned on the board. Okay, number 2. Hamal picks 52 strawberries. Umi picks 9 strawberries. How many in all? Okay, I'm going to do it both ways again because it's great practice for you to work on those different strategies. So I have 52. I'm going to do 52, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 7 left over. Oh, wait, I did that wrong. 50 and 2. The 2 isn't coming out of the 9. The 2 is from the 52. So what do I add to 2 to get to 10? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 2 will equal 10. Well, if I take 1 away from 9, there's 1 left over. So now I add these up and I get 10. The 50 and the 1, they both drop down. See how that happened? Okay. Then I have 50 plus 10 is 60, plus 1 equals 61. There's that way. I can also do it using base 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 here. I'm actually going to take those 9 and then count on 1. So there I go. Still the same thing. Whatever is outside of the invisibility cloak is what I'm going to be focused on. That's what I'm going to count. This group of 10 gets sent over here as a group of 10. So now instead of having 5, I have 5 plus 1 more, which makes 6 groups of 10. And 1 left over makes it, 61. 2 different strategies, both work. Okay, now we have find 24 plus 7. 24 plus 7. The book wants us to do it like this. 2 10s, and then we have 4 1s, and that makes 24. And then I have 7 over here. So I'm going to have 7 ones and nothing there. And then plus. Okay, then I'm going to add them up and I have 2 10s. 7 plus 4. I'm going to start with the biggest number. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 ones. So I have 2 10s, which is really 20 plus 11 is 31. If that's too hard and you can't figure that out, then we can always break down this into 10 plus 1, right? So then it becomes 20 plus 10 plus 1. 10 plus 20 is 30, plus 1 is 31. Okay? Nice. That was number 3. Now we're going to do number 4. Number 4 is 65 plus 3. This one you could stack. You could say 5 plus 3 is 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 0 is 6. You could also use a number line. Start out at 65 and we're going to jump 3 spots. So we're going to start at 65. 1, 2, 3. Circle where you land. The answer is 68. Swap out my marker because this one is no more. Number 5, 43 plus 6. Awesome. So I have 43 plus 6 in letter A, letter B, letter C. A is 46, 48, and 49. So 43 plus 6, put a square around the 10s, underline the 1s. There's no 10 over here. So it stays the same. It's going to be 40. 3 plus 6 is 9. 49 is your answer. Nope, nope. Letter C is correct. Good. One more, and it's our good old friends Boom and Buzz. Boom says 35 plus 7 is the same as 40 plus 5. Is he right? How do you know? The only way we know is to solve it. So we're going to do 35 plus 7 is the same as, that's what that equal sign means, 40 plus 5. 40 plus 5. Well, 40 plus 5, that's easy to solve. That's 45. So now I have to figure out, is 35 plus 7 45? Well, hopefully you know 35 plus 10 would get you to 45, but that's not what we have here. So we're going to solve this pretending that we don't know that 35 plus 10 would equal 45. So we're going to break it out. 35 is 30 and 5. So it's 30 plus 5 plus 7. Well, then I'm going to break apart the 7. And I'm going to pull out 5 to make it that 10 and 2 more. 7 breaks down into 5 and 2. So it becomes 30 plus 10 plus 2. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. No. And here's why. Here's why. Hopefully you guys can all see this. Okay. 35 plus 7. I broke it down into 30 plus 5. Pulled out the 10s from the 1s. The 7 is the same. So now I have 30 plus 5 plus 7. Well, now I'm going to make 10 out of these. So I pulled 5 from the 7. 2's left over. 5 plus 5 right here is 10. So the 30 plus the 10 plus the 2 left over from the 5 that I took out of the 7. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. So no, he's not right. It's not the same. They're totally different. So hopefully you are feeling good for your test tomorrow. If not, please let me know, or I guess it would be today, your test today, and I'll make sure I can go over with you any and everything that you need. Bye, friends. See you later.